Hi everyone, I'm Denise and welcome to another special edition of Popping Tags Bags. How can you just tell like I love saying that every week? I really do. Where I'm sharing with you all my thrift store scores. Okay, let's get started right away. I have for you guys today this gorgeous, gorgeous Kate Spade flap bag. And as you can see, it is quite thin. So the measurements on this bag are 11 inches wide and approximately 8 inches high. And it does have a little bit of give there, but it is probably, you can stuff it no more than it's measuring an inch wide. Now this bag is another oldie. So I believe I got this, like 15 years ago. Again, it was when we were out of town in Vernon, BC at that thrift store. I can't remember the name of it, and I can't even remember if they're still here now. But like I said, the owner said that the customers that she had would donate designer bags. And this is a full leather flat bag, and it's in this gorgeous, I'm going to say champagne gold color of hardware. And then it has this toggle twist to open, and it says Kate Spade, made in New York, and with that fun polka dot lining. And this was another thrift store score because ta-da, it came with the dust bag. And look, I still have the tag on it where she had the price on it. So yeah, very rare, like I've said before in my other videos, very rare that you get a dust bag. And this one actually came with a, I'm going to open it up here. It came with the care card, which was way cool. So there's the inside, and like I said, it's very tiny. I guess it's I mean, you can still fit in the essentials, right? One of my favorite bags, again, to use in the fall and winter, as long as I'm just carrying the basics. And I thought I would show you how it looks on. So there it is, shoulder, the usual shoulder, cookie arm, handheld. What can I say? I just, and I like this, this resin material here, very similar to one of my Chanel bags that just, my click-clack bag. You can see that, that resin, very gorgeous. Now, I did find a photo when I first got it again, and I believe this is from the 90s, and it was called either the model bag or the supermodel bag. I can't remember, but if anybody knows the name of this, that was one black and white photo I found in the 90s for a print ad where they were holding a bunch of Kate Spade purses, and this was one of them. That's it for today, guys. Thank you for joining me on my special edition Popping Tags Bags, and I hope to see you in my next video. If you like this, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.